In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a domain on Weebly in just 5 minutes so you can get your website up and running smoothly. Whether you're starting fresh or wanting to establish your online presence, following this step-by-step guide will make the process super simple and efficient. First, you'll want to navigate to Weebly's website. Simply head over to your browser and type in weebly.com. Once you're there, this is where all the magic begins. Weebly offers a user-friendly platform that makes building and customizing a website a breeze, even for beginners. Now, let's move on to logging in. In the top right corner, you'll find the login button. Click it and proceed to enter your email and password. If you're using a Square account, you can log in using your Square credentials, as Weebly is integrated with Square. Make sure your login details are correct to avoid any hiccups as we proceed. After logging in successfully, you'll arrive at your account dashboard. This is your command center, where you'll manage everything related to your site. Look for the Overview tab. It should be prominent in your dashboard menu. Click on it to access an overview of your website's current setup and various management features. Next, you'll want to click on the Setup Domain option. It's crucial to choose a domain name that represents your brand or the purpose of your website. Your domain is like your online address, so choose wisely and make sure it's memorable and relevant. Once you've clicked on Set Up Domain, you'll be prompted to type in the domain name you desire. Enter your preferred domain into the search field. Weebly will then check its availability. This step is vital because your first choice might already be taken, so it might be useful to have a few backups in mind. After entering your domain, click on Search to see what's available. Weebly will provide a list of available domain options. If your primary choice isn't available, don't worry. They'll suggest alternatives that might just do the trick. When you find a domain that suits your needs, click on Choose to select it. At this stage, follow the prompts to finalize your choice. Finally, you'll need to select a plan for your domain. Weebly offers multiple pricing tiers based on your needs and the features you desire for your site. Choose a plan that suits your budget and requirements. Whether you're looking for something basic or need advanced features, there's likely a plan perfect for your goals. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your domain on Weebly. You're now ready to dive into designing and personalizing your website, bringing your ideas to life for the whole world to see. Thanks for watching and happy website building.